How to fix your device is not compatible with this version in Zenless Zone Zero. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your Zenless Zone Zero application is updated to its latest version and you have the latest version so that you avoid any sort of glitches while using the application. After that, what you can do is go to the settings of your device and then tap on your about phone section just to check if there are any updates available for your device as well. So let's check, and as it says, there's no updates available. Now go back and then tap on the application over here, then tap on app info. Now you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that and you'll be able to clear cache and your data. Also make sure that you have your permissions provided to the application that are required for it, such as camera, files and media. So just allow that. After that, tap on turn off your phone, then tap on reboot and restart your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.